Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can remove a link to any website from your Facebook page. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and let's get started. So, for this, we will need to open the Facebook application. Next, we will need to go to our page. To do that, at the top of the screen, we just need to click on our image. And then, we can see that we have different links here in the details section. So how do we remove them? Well, we do that by clicking on Edit Public Details. Scroll down. Now next to the word links, we click on Edit. And this is where we scroll down. We always have the links to the website at the bottom under the word website. And we can see that I have a website link here. It's very easy to remove. We just need to click on the word remove. As you can see, it is already removed. But the main thing, do not forget, after you have removed the link, always click the word save at the top to save your changes. Back to our page, let's refresh it. And if we look, we can see that now we don't have the link to the site. That's how easy it is to remove the link to any website from your Facebook page. I hope this information was useful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you later.